Not a criminal attorney, not here to give legal advice, but I am here to give you the real on this Diddy trial. So let's get into the cross-examination of Sharay. So on cross-examination, Sharay testified that in a dozen or so sexual performances, he never got the sense that Cassie was uncomfortable. Sharay agreed with Diddy's defense attorney when his defense attorney asked him leading questions about Cassie not feeling any discomfort while she was performing in front of Diddy. He said it seemed consensual. Agreed with Diddy's attorney's description of Diddy as director of the scenes. This particular portion of Sharay's testimony may contradict the testimony he gave on direct examination if you're looking at it from a bird's eye view. On direct examination, he testified that oftentimes Cassie would look at Diddy as if she was getting cues from him. And when he would give her an instruction, she would often wince or sigh to that instruction. But here you are on cross-examination saying it seemed consensual. How does it seem consensual if she's looking to him to see what he wants her to do? Now, one may say that's not consensual. That was her just being compliant because she was coarse. And the other side is saying it was consensual, right? So here again, that question for the jury is now coming up with this witness. Was she compliant or was she consenting? So did she consent to this because she wanted to do it, or was she complying with Diddy's demands because she was, again, coerced into doing this, or as she said on her testimony, she was in love and she wanted to please him and she wanted to make him happy. So that big question from the jury is now coming up again in his testimony. He also testified on cross-examination that he would not have engaged with Cassie during these sessions if he thought that she felt uncomfortable. The defense attorney then followed up and said there were no cues of any discomfort, correct? Sharay said correct. He then said, this is based on your 25 years of experience of dry humping and hundreds of thousands of women. Sharay said correct. Now, was she complying or did she consent? Did it seem consensual, or was she wincing and sighing because she didn't want to do it? Which one is it? My name is Snipes-Booker, and that is the real on this Diddy trial.